parenting has always been a challenge when it comes to a toddler, a young kid, a child in his teens, his or her teens, or adolescence. Every age group teaches us something else, something different as parents. So every stage, I'm sure the parents must have noticed that there are different challenges which they have to face. So when it's a toddler, it's quite simple, simpler than the other age groups. It's all about giving attention to a toddler, giving more and more time to a toddler. As a child is growing up, as a child becomes into a young child or is going into teens, it's about talking to the child as a friend, talking to the child more and more so that child talks back to you, giving enough time to the child so that child feels that you are like a friend to the child and the child can confide things with you. The most difficult time I would say is the teens and the time the child turns into an adolescence, because that's the time when the children start drifting away from parents if the parenting is not really positive and it's quite intimidating to the children. They feel that it's intimidating. So that's the time when the child stops kind of confiding in the parents and starts having people outside their parents in which they confide. So in such cases, I think as a child is growing up, it's very important as parents to give a lot of time to your children. When the child is trying to tell his or her problem, see to that you do not negate their problems. You listen to them. There should be no criticism. There should be no sarcasm when you're talking to a child about their problems. You should never shout at them. In fact, the thing is that whenever they have been at fault and they have come and told you that I'm at fault and I'm really sorry about it, try and be accepting. Do not get angry at that point, because the child has come and told you that I have been wrong and I'm sorry about it. So at that point, as a positive parenting tip, I would say that at that time you should be an accepting parent and should say that yes, look, this time it's been good, but next time it should not repeat. So the tip is that whenever the child is sorry for his mistakes or her mistakes, see to that an accepting parent and not a strict parent at that time, authoritative parent at that time. Now about parenting, there are three types of parenting. One is authoritative parenting, authoritarian parenting, and a lot of it's lenient parenting. Okay, authoritarian parenting is something where there is authority, but some things are allowed by the parents. Authoritative is where the parents are very very strict and nothing is allowed for the children, and the child is quite feels like quite caged. And a lenient parenting is the child is just quite cool and the parents are quite cool and the child is allowed to do everything. Now each parenting has got its own pros and cons. As per your child and as per your child's requirements, you have to turn the parenting into authoritarian, authoritative, or a lenient parenting. So that depends on the needs of the child and the need of the hour for that child. But the whole thing, when you see parenting as a whole, the most important thing is that you have to trust your child. You have to show the child that the child can trust in you. The child can come and tell you everything. The child can really come and confide everything in you, and you will not kind of take it out in a bad way with the child. So that actually is a key of a positive parenting, I would say. And I think if we all follow this thing of giving time to our children, trusting our children, and kind of not using critical statements or statements which hurt their ego or hurt them as a person, I think that should be enough for a parent to be a good parent.